to the finest ocean grill in Sydney. Mama Cat's cooking is exquisite.
Please enjoy the baked salmon with honey glaze.
Thank you, it looks absolutely wonderful.
We have the local beverage ready for you as well. Sweet warmth for cold hearts.
Here we have the grilled tuna with mango salsa.
And don't forget the fresh mojitos.
Presenting our San Francisco special, the Blue Ocean Souffle, a delicate whisper of the sea.
You brought the world to our table.
And you reminded us why we cook, to share love beyond borders.
50 dishes, one dream, unity. Unity through flavor.